Okay, I just made this trap. It's designed for birds. I don't know if you can see it well or not. It's attached to this branch right here. This here is the toggle right there, and this is the bait stick, and here's the snare right there. Okay, you're supposed to put bait here, little seeds and stuff to attract the bird. The trap is supposed to activate when the bird comes and tries to get at the seeds here, like this. Okay, I need to work on that branch. It doesn't have enough strength. I need a sturdier branch, but nonetheless it'll work. Thank you.